These are the Thursday maths instructions. So you've got the same task 3 as yesterday, where you're recording the time that you wake up and the time that you go to bed. So we have lots of data for our graph on Friday. And then your second task is task 4 maths. You have to draw and interpret stem and leaf graphs, and it says to complete the first 2 slides today. So this will be on Google Classroom, and you'll each have a copy of it. You'll need to zoom in so you can see it a bit better. So you might go 100. And so you read and have a look at the stem and leaf graph, and then you answer the questions. So to answer the questions, you just click on the text box and then just type in your answer. And same for those ones. And then the second slide that you need to complete is this one here. If you find it easier, do your stem and leaf graphs on a piece of paper and then just put a picture up. Just add a slide or something and put a picture up, or email it or attach it to Google Classroom. Otherwise, you can write it on here, whatever's easier for you. So here's all your data. It makes it easier with a stem and leaf plot to order your data first. So smallest number to biggest number. And then you've got to write your stems here. So they might be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or whatever they are. And then you write your leaves, and remember you write the smallest one. So if you had 12, 13, 14, 15, 18 or something, so you'd start with the 2 for the 12, and then 13, 14, etc. And you just put a comma in between each one when you write them. You can sit or you leave a space like they did here. So you can flick back to that to help you, or your videos from yesterday as well if you need to check back. And then it's got a wee key, so you just type it in here as well. When it says write your leaves here, just backspace that and then write them in. It's just so it saves a space for you to write them, because it's all with text box, and same with that one there. So those are your 2 tasks for Thursday maths. And remember to go to your tracking sheet and task 3 and task 4 and write that you have finished them.